Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to drop table in database through SQL command and without SQL command in XAMPP. To drop a database table from database, you have to provide this command, SQL command, drop table name. I have already opened XAMPP. I want to drop table student, so now write student, click on go. Do you really want to execute drop table student? Okay. If you want to drop table without SQL command or manually, so click on, first you have to select database. I have already selected university. Click on structure, rename table. I want to drop this. Select this. Now drop. Okay. You can see now rename table has been dropped. Thank you everyone.